Hello friends, now I am going to tell you how to turn off YouTube subtitles. So you can see when I play this video there is a subtitle. So I can turn off a subtitle from here. But when I open new video, again I can see the subtitle. Okay. So I am going to tell you how to uh, permanently stop showing subtitles. Okay, you can click on here your profile icons, then click on setting, then you can click on playback and performance, then you can turn untick this one, always show captions. Okay, if you untick this one there is a no subtitle in your video. Thanks for watching. If you have any question regarding this one you can comment below.